What's up, people? Out here in Denham Springs.
Driver.
What?
Driver, exit vehicle.
Pennsylvania versus Mims, are you afraid for your safety?
Exit the vehicle.
Can I help you?
Come back here. You're being on traffic stop.
I know I'm on a
Come back
traffic.
here.
And what's the reason for the traffic stop? The middle finger?
You stopped in the middle of the road.
I did not stop in the middle. I was slowing for the stops. I was slowing down. I did not. You liar. It's all on dash cam.
It's all on my camera.
Okay, well then let's take it to court.
Let's
Take it to court then. Let's take it to court then.
Do you have your driver's
What's your name and badge number?
Do you have your driver's license?
Yes, I do. But I did not stop in the middle. It's in the car. Oh no, I have it on me actually. But so that's the reason. So that's the reason for the stop. You said?
Yes.
I stopped in the middle of the road.
Yes.
You know this is a unlawful search and seizure, right? You know, hey, you know who I am?
I don't care who you are.
I don't care who you are either.
Frankly, so
because I gave you the middle finger. This officer right here, because I get. What's your name and badge number?
My name is Deputy Pittman. My badge number is LP376.
LP.
Give me your license.
So you're gonna get my license for me flipping you off?
No, for you stopping in the middle of the road.
I did not stop in the middle of the road. I got proof. I got proof.
Thank you.
Dickhead. Fuck.
Stand right there. Don't go back to the car.
Don't go back to. I know Pennsylvania versus Mims. Trust me, I already know laws better than you do. Way better. I know laws way better than you do.
Yes, sir.
And because I flipped you off, really? That's the best you could do? That's the best you. And don't snag my fucking license. Said I stopped in the middle of the road. Because I flipped him off, people, saying I stopped in the middle of the road. This is what you get for giving a cop a middle finger right here. Said I stopped in. Lion cop, lion piggy right here. More retaliation, because I gave him the burn. And this is a Livingston Parish deputy right here. And I only have to present my license to you. I don't have to hand it to you. I don't like the way you took it from me. That's like theft. You know, I only have to present my license to you. I don't have to give it to you. And the way you snagged it from me, dude, come on, man, really? Be professional. You stopped the wrong one tonight, buddy. What you looking at? You trying to figure out how to get out of this or what? The first cop that's ever stopped me because of middle finger? You're the very first one. All the other ones didn't care. But you? Oh, man. You're the first one. Congratulations.
All right, sir.
Is your body cam on?
It is on. turns on with the dash
So,
cam.
so,
Turns
so,
on.
so,
So here's your license back, sir.
all right. So it's your word against my body, or the dash cam, right? That I stopped, or was I slowing down?
Sure, whatever.
Okay,
Take
yeah.
to begin a traffic citation for the general speed law, okay? Slowing down, obstructing the flow of traffic. You're going to sign right here at the X. It's not an admission of guilt, so you understand the charge and your court date, which is July 11th.
Oh, that's great, dude.
Sign right there at the X.
At the X?
Yep. I'll give you your copy, and you are free to go, sir.
I know I'm free to go. Thank you. Appreciate you. And you're going to be dismissed.
There you go.
And so it's your word against my dash cam. Congratulations. You're the next idiot on YouTube, okay?
Okay.
So,
Have a good night.
so here's the middle finger again. See, people, this is what I got pulled over for right here. This is what I got pulled over for right here. He gave me a interfering with the roadway. So, you can leave if you want, dickhead. And like I said, this is Livingston Parish deputy right here. Don't back into the roadway. Don't back into the roadway. You can drive around. All right, people, here's the ticket that was written for that traffic stop. I was just wanting to show y'all. He said that I stopped in the middle of the roadway. This is clearly not stopped in the middle of the roadway. He just had to write some kind of ticket to stand his ground, which is funny to me. But anyways, this one will definitely be dismissed in court. I appreciate all y'all being here. Make sure to hit that like button. Much respect and love to everybody.